will be English speaking practice part 3. Tomorrow, good morning friends. In this video, I have been make video upload on Facebook and Instagram as well as on YouTube. And it is the 50% story I have listened. And the first video has been uploaded on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. You can go to my profile and you can watch. Today in this video, 50% English lecture will be completed. Let's start. When the lion has been come and said to, in this forest of all animals has been come. Today outside of the two elephants has been come in the forest. Please represent now. In this, for example, this is a country, this is a country, this is a country, and this is the forest. Okay, one country is the Supreme Court, and one country and the High Court, Supreme Court and District Court and Subdivisional Court of the country. And for same country and forest of the owner has the lion has been asked first question. Two elephant has been came from outside of the forest, and in this forest has been came. Before I want to identify, and this elephant identification has been available, and some documents has been available before. If elephant has some documents and identification and how the forest has been come, and in this forest before I want to ask some question from the elephant which has been come from outside has. Elephant in this forest of the king is the chief justice of the forest, country of the Chief Justice of India, Chief Justice of High Court, Chief Justice of District Court, Chief Justice of Subdivisional Court, like then forest of the Chief Justice of the King. The King side to elephant of the advocate Ho, and the fox side to two elephant has been came, and outside this combat I have been fighting. And Chief Justice said to, okay, are you advocate of the elephant? Yes, my lord. Chief Justice mean king. The king mean Hindi lion. The king said to, two elephant has been came. What is identification before I want to know? This elephant in this forest has been living eligible, either not eligible. Identification please represented now. But elephant, fox said to elephant, some identification has been available, and elephant said to not. I have no identification. Raja, ho gelo 5 minute ka. Some identification has been not available. Okay. You have no any documents has been available. So what happened? All of you decide. All of your decision. My decision is your decision. And said to, my lord, I have not available any documents, and so you have no identifications. Okay. Next time we'll try again. The time has been end of the court of the time has been expired. Second day, elephant from us has been foxed. If today you are animal, I am animal, and the chief justice of the forest, the king is animal. Okay, all of you have to get has been friends. Are you interested? And the elephant has been agree. I can with you. And the elephant definitely I am. Okay. In this video of the time 5 minutes has been completed. This video that is very long process, and some part will be next video will be make. Thank you in this video till.